How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be going over this digital camera from Anykit. This is an inspection camera. This is model AN430, and typically the ones I've seen have been a horizontal type of setup. This is more of a portrait setup, and either way works, but I do like that for this reason. Now, some of the features has about 4 hours operating time, takes about 3.5 hours to charge. The tip right here is only 6 millimeters, so obviously very small, fits in a lot of smaller places, and it does have an adjustable light. Also, the screen is 4.3 inches and it has a 70-degree angle on it. So it does have, once again, 6 adjustable LEDs, so you can go from no light to a super bright depending on your situation, and has 30 to 80 millimeters field of depth. So it comes with a USB charger right over here. It is USB-C, no charging block, but we have plenty of those at home, and most people do nowadays. You also get this, that you unscrew the tip right over here, and you would apply, you have a hook, a magnet, and a mirror if you wanted to use it for something else. So now we're going to go ahead and use it. Powers on very easily. Cable is super long, so you have more than enough cable. And as you can see, I've been using it for a couple days now, and this is all I've needed for my personal use. I am a Honda technician, and 9 out of 10 times I'm going to be using this to look inside cylinder bores for coolant penetration, although you can use it for an abundance of things, and one of them being AC ducts to check for some sort of a blockage. So you would insert the bore end there and check for your blockage or whatnot in here. Let's say you are looking at it upside down, you can press this button right over here and rotate the image. Once again, we'll do it a couple times here, and then if you wanted to zoom in or out, you could also do that by pressing either this button or this button here on the other side. Now, if it was too bright, you could also dim the image until you get a better shot. Or once again, you could also turn on the light, off the light completely. Although if you're inside of a duct like that, you're gonna want to see something. So this one is a little bright. I would probably use the dimmest setting in there. So here's a perfect example of exactly how I would be using this. This is a Honda CR-V with a 1.5T with a known head gasket issue. Now, I already confirmed this previously, although I will use this as an example. So very clear, as we can see here in the image. It is hard to capture on the phone, but it is super clear. So I would just simply remove a spark plug, go down a tube in here. As you can see also here, we are going down a tube all the way into the piston. And just as suspected, we have coolant penetration right in there, causing a cold start misfire. Now, Honda coolant is blue, so it looks darker than your typical coolant. But yes, exactly how I would use it here. We're a great tool for a Honda technician, saves you a lot of time and effort. And you can rotate the image once again over here. And you could also zoom in or out, get a bit closer look, and back out. And you can also dim the brightness if needed. So that's a little bit all the way to shutting off. So yeah, just a quick example of actual usage and what I would use it for. Now, obviously the camera here is not facing the correct way, but this would be enough for me to just confirm what I was looking for. So yeah, some other examples you can use this for is for plumbing in your house. Once again, I am a Honda technician, so I will be using this here at work or at home when I do have some work there, just for a number of several different reasons. Once again, you could use it at home as well as a homeowner, or use it for both. There's no reason you can't use it for both. So I think for $40 is the selling price of this on Amazon. It is a great value and has an abundance of features. So with that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.